In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a location to an entry on journal application. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up journal application. And then all we have to do is just tap at that plus to create new entry, or we can get in the existing one to edit it and to add a location to the entry that is already created. To do that, tap at three dots and then tap at edit. You will be taken to the same interface in both cases, and that's where we need to tap at that button. And that allows us to add a location. We can select any location from suggested, just like that. Or in here, we can search for a specific location. Just enter city, street, or maybe someplace that you want to add to your entry. And then in that way, we can easily add it to our entry. That's how you can easily add a location to journal entry, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.